Hey guys, this is Uzafa from my YouTube channel Positive Academy. In today's video, I'm going to talk about gratitude. I already made a video regarding gratitude, but I think that we have taken many things for granted. So it is essential for us to be grateful for what you have. We must focus our attention of what we have and not what we don't. If we change that focus, we can shift from the lacking mindset to that of abundance mindset. I have already prepared one of the book, No Bullshit Guide of Becoming Your Greatest Version. It is all the learnings that I have learned throughout my journey of learning from around 2010 till now. In 10 years, what I have learned in self improvement, self development, what knowledge and what skills I have learned, I have inputted all of them in one of the book. It will be soon published on Amazon KDP Independent Publishing. I do independent publishing books. Two of the books already I have done. Book of Positive Affirmations, which contains about 5,000 affirmations. It will help you to attract whatever you want into your life. And the second is the Introduction to Reiki, and Introduction to Reiki, how Reiki healing can play a very important role in your life and how it will help to heal yourself and anyone, right? We all possess that kind of energy. So two of the books are already written. This will be my third book, No Bullshit Guide of Becoming Your Greatest Version. It is all the learnings. It will be an ebook, but I am planning to do a paperback also, right? So I'm grateful for what I know, and I'm grateful that I'm sharing that. Because when you know something, when you have a skill and learning but you don't share, then it is of no use. Knowledge not used is garbage. That's the reason I'm making all these videos, because I have learned from my past experiences. Experience is plays very important crucial role in one's life. When you experience certain things, you have a grip towards that topic, right? And I have attended many of the seminars and workshops about self development, personal development, self improvement, so I know the stuff. So I think that I need to just read out, or you can go through the book, but I will be reading all those points. So just be with me, and I'm just opening that part just a little. It is the collections, it is the throughout collection of my learning, right? It contains different varieties of points. So just let me open the document and I will be reading few of the things, right? I have already discussed almost all the things in my videos, and I will be sharing that in the form of book. So just let this open, and we will just begin shortly. Yeah, so first of all, it it begins with a saying, even the greatest was once the beginner. Even the greatest was once a beginner. Same applied to each and everything. The first thing that is discussed here is gratitude only, which I am talking about. Then comes universe is abundant. Abundance is our natural state. Being free is our birthright. How gratitude can change your life. It raises our vibration, our frequency. What we focus on grows. Keep a gratitude journal where you can note down what you are grateful for each day. Almost every religion in this universe teaches us to be grateful. Dream more and also do daydreaming, because dreams do become true. The will must be stronger than the skill. I repeat, the will must be stronger than the skill. Don't chase money, fame, glory, but make yourself so much capable that they chase you. Don't work for money, but make money work for you. Visualize every day your goals. Fake it to make it comes into picture. Everything that has been invented took place in mind and then into reality. Our brain is a supercomputer. We made technology. Don't become the slave of technology, but use it as a tool. Do mindfulness meditation every single day. It will help you to become focused and your brain will become new after 8 weeks of meditation. Always have plant-based food. Food that have live enzymes and that can help your body, mind and spirit. Let go of processed and junk food. Let go of all that no longer serve you, whether it is a friend, family, any damn thing. If your dreams don't scare you, then they aren't big enough. Anything that affects your peace of mind is costlier. Do an act of kindness every day. We are made to provide service to other people. When we become the reason for someone's smile, we will become more happy and content, and God will give us the chance to become happy. Everything that what we gives come back to us multiply. This is the law of karma. Don't waste your time. Time is very limited. Instead, use our time to create something awesome. Limit the use of social media as it will only develop negativity in you. Make every day count and work to become better. Compete only with yourself and try to become 1% better every day so that you will be 365% better in a year. Choose your role model, a mentor from which you can learn something good. For example, in my job, there was a person named Jigar, and I have learned from him how to develop your personality, charisma, and style. Don't count the days, but make the days count. I repeat, don't count the days, but make the days count. When you fail, don't give up. Most of the successes happens only after many failures. Try, don't cry. Give yourself the reason for doing what you do, meaning know your why. Think of what you will become after completing the goal of which for which you are working. In that way, you will remain self-motivated. Lot of people are not self-motivated and they give up in the long term. Read more. Reading is very important. It will help your brain as well as your imagination power will improve. Your creativity will improve. Let me give you an example. When you read something, you have to imagine as compared to that of movie which is already imaginary. That's the power of reading. Speak less and listen more. When you argue with someone, you give them power. Don't criticize anyone. You are the outer reflection of what you are from inside. Make your inside good. When you are good from inside, there is no need to become good from outside. Wearing rich clothes, wearing branded clothes, there is no need. Live every day as if it were your last. Become mindful when you want to become good from inside. Emotional intelligence is the key. Your mind controls everything. So if you want to become best version, learn to control your mind. Transmute your sexual energy into creative energy. Power of semen retention is very much useful to create something amazing. When you are young, at that time you have energy and time but no money. But when you are in 30, you have money and energy but no time. And when you are old, you have money and time but no energy. So when you are young, only then you can make a difference. To breathe properly is to live properly, and that's the reason meditation is we need to focus on our breath. Breathing must be done from the base of your spine. That's the correct way of breathing. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. I repeat, float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Everything in this universe is mental. This is very well said in the 7 hermetic principles of the universe. So you must conquer your mind when you want to become better. If one wants to master anything, then it takes 10,000 hours of practice. One must give up multitasking. When you multitask, you don't achieve the desired results. We must always focus on the sun, whether it is waking up time or taking meals as per Ayurveda. Everything in this universe is energy and sun is the greatest source of energy. When it comes to relationship, always think of communication, in-person communication. This will help in long term. There are certain things which I wish I would know when I was 20 years of age. I already made a video regarding that. Financial planning and following your passion. If you want to manifest anything into your life, then there is a 3-step process which you need to follow. One is believing, another is acting, and last is receiving. Believe about your dream and goal. Act as if it is already being done, or it is already being happening, and receive the results. Manifest the thing. The goal that you have in mind, you must believe in that, then you must act. I already told, and this is what I have learned in long term and have manifested using this into my life. So these are all my life learnings which I have shared in this book, and I already made told you regarding this. So if you want to have, or if you want to have a grip of regarding this, you can buy this from Amazon. It will be soon published in KDP. So see you in the next video. I hope you are enjoying this content. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing for regular dose of positivity. And remember, you are the co-creator of your own life. You can become whatever you want. We are the multidimensional being having human experience. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Peace.
You